Welcome back to Single Black Vegan. On the menu today, folks, we have mini vegan chicken pot pies. Yes. All right, you're going to need mixed veggies, some vegan bouillon, veggie broth, get you some jackfruit, toss in some vegan chicken of your choice, and crescent rolls, and onions, and make a roux with flour and a little bit of oil of your choice. Up next, add those veggies. Stir those all up real good. Add in that jackfruit and that vegan chicken. Now you could add in the veggie broth and go ahead and add the bouillon too for some flavor and kind of just let that simmer a little bit. At this point, you can add a little bit of black pepper, salt, garlic if you want to, but maybe just to taste. Grab the crescent rolls, open those up, and seal up those triangular diagonal looking lines. Seal those up, and then you're going to actually cut those in fours. Take the rectangular piece, put it in a greased muffin pan, fill it up with your filling, top it off with another rectangular piece, pop it in the oven till golden brown, and voila, look at this. It's a little bubbly around the edges, but that's fine because it still turned out great. I'm talking yumminess. We have the mini vegan chicken pot pies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.